This is CMF Phone 1, and today I'll show all that there is to know about creating and managing screenshots on this device. So let's begin by enabling one of the additional screenshot capturing methods. So go into Settings, System, Gestures, Screenshot Gesture, and switch on the 3-finger swipe option. Now let's learn all available screenshot capturing methods. So first, simultaneously press volume down and power buttons. Then you can also open the list of recent apps, select what app you would like to capture the screenshot of, and then tap at the screenshot option right underneath it. Now once the 3-finger down swipe option or gesture is activated, you can also take a screenshot by swiping downwards with your 3 fingers. If you would like to take a scrolling or a long screenshot, simply take a regular one, doesn't matter which method you will use. And in this preview, press the arrow buttons. Now select how long you would like for a screenshot to be. So frame it or crop it to your liking, and then save the result. Also, once the screenshot manager appears, you can tap at the screenshot itself to start editing it. Here you can crop it, mark it up, draw over it, do whatever you see fit. From here you can also erase your screenshot, share it, or save it. You can also press this button to share your screenshot right after capturing without having to open the editing app or tool. And you can also delete a screenshot if it has been taken by accident, perhaps. Now, in order to find all your screenshot, open whatever gallery app you prefer using, like Google Photos for example, and go into Library, Albums or Folders section. And as you will see, all your screenshots are being automatically saved into the separate designated screenshots folder, so you will be able to find all of them right here. And well, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.